Say, I lost my tooth 2 days ago. Let me see.
I lost my tooth 2 days ago.
Let me see, Buckers. No, smile. I can't. Alright, stand right there. Stand and let me see. Here. Snagglepuss, Snagglepuss.
Get Molly crying.
What is it, fat cat?
I'll get a fat rat.
Don't pull her hand, Garrett. Don't be so rough with her. I'm a sweet baby. I'm a sweet baby. Say no, because that's some... Look at that little girl right there. Ain't she pretty?
I want to get a tape of mommy.
Look at that man right there.
I want to get a tape of mom.
Huh?
I want to get a tape.
No. Move your big old noo-noo. Where?
You got a picture of my noo-noo.
Look at my pretty little girl.
Your head's the biggest in every picture.
Her hair's sticking up.
Leave her alone. Uncover her, Garrett, so I can get her little leg. Ain't she precious? Ain't she cute?
Yes. Legless.
Alright, y'all gonna hire y'all so I can get y'all on video camera?
Yeah.
Man, just twins we will.
I told y'all.
Say no. Tell the camera who you look like, Madison. You look like who?
Daddy.
You got that right. Who do you smell like, though?
Mama.
No.
What's your honey smell like? Who's your honey smell like?
Dishwasher booty. Tell me this.
Daddy just got over about the constipation problem.
Daddy, tell me how y'all now.
Madison, tell the camera how old you are. How many is that?
3.
Alright, tell the camera how old you are, Gabby.
I'm 5 and soon I'm going to be 6.
Alright.
What grade do you in, Garrett?
Kindergarten.
Where at?
Hubbard Elementary.
No.
Hubbard Primary.
What's Hubbard Elementary?
That's where Melissa teaches. Oh!
They're about to hire y'all now. And that is when they wrestle.
Be careful.
Let me see. That is when the kids wrestle with him.
The grill.
We're winning!
No, Molly can't. Leave her alone. Putting her pass in. Good. Okay, go play, Maddie.
I'm getting on the camera. We're going to we have to go back and get the camera, and then we're going to go back in, Mom.
Okay.
Jillian, I kicked Elijah on the head.
Oh! Who'd you kiss over there?
Elijah. Jillian kissed me on the head and cheek before.
Mama never kisses me anywhere.
Yes, she does on the lips.
Ew. Mama's sneaky lips. Oh, baby.
Be careful, man.
You messed up my sister. You're going to pay for this.
Whoa, that cat. Cheyenne! Goodness. Goodness. Go get Daddy, Maddie. Get his hair, Maddie.
I'm getting you, Maddie. Shabba wabba.
What's that?
No, don't bring those over here. We ain't messing with those, okay? Those hurt. Oh.
Goodness. Wow, that guy's like gas. Okay.
Man, don't come jumping, but you're going to hurt yourself.
She's about to get him.
The Baba Chopper! The Baba Chopper! Tricky Parker! Daddy, look!
What is that?
That thing! I want to get that!
Let me.
Shan, pull her panties up her crack, Shan.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4. See that crack on the throat?
Daddy, don't do that.
It has all the jokes. Batman in the fan, I want that.
I tried to get you to get that, but you wouldn't get it.
What time did she feed her?
It's,
We're going on the
6
camp.
o'clock.
Batman in the fan, you know.
No, it was earlier than that. Wasn't it about 5?
Oh, it was? It was 5 o'clock when I put it in the microwave.
How do you know?
So I look at the clock.
Well, then she ate at 5 because it didn't take you 5 minutes to warm it.
Mask on the fan.
Time?
Daddy, mask on the fan. It comes on Cartoon Network.
Why you got your leg hiked up like a dog?
I was trying to hurt your whole body. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Madison, sing Caillou for me. Sing Caillou for me. But don't it say I'm getting bigger every day? Every day.
Put the tape in there. I'm recording of her baby. Ow, Madison.
It's time to do the choo-choo movie.
Say I'm mad. Wow. Look at her. Quit, Maddie. Maddie. No, ma'am. Got lip quivering. Okay, Caillou. Alright, y'all hurry up so I can... Y'all do something good for the camera.
You missed it. I was laying, she walked by and took her foot and kicked me in the forehead.
Who, man?
Yeah. She walked in, pow, kicked me. No, you're not. Oh,
Oh.
You got that?
again.
Please.